LS Smart Machinery has experience in this industry for almost 16 years. We provide one-stop solution for food machinery equipments, including new and used food machines equipments, production line setups, servicing, machine consultations, and more. We believe that providing sufficient machinery equipment based on the customer needs will enhance our machine's products into a greater technology with more beneficial towards the user. There are a few values that we put in ourselves, which are families, teamwork, integrity, innovation, faith, and social responsibilities. Our company has more power-driven workplace culture. Even if you work in a different departments or different positions, here we are competitive among others. Each of the employees have their career goals and believe that our goals align with the organization goals. When we work hard, we also play hard. Activities that we have done before are playing badminton, playing football at the beach, writing Chinese calligraphy, team building games, and many more. Doing these fun activities surely builds a strong relationship with other employees. Don't give up with your career after a long journey. Every bitter moment has the potential lead to something sweet. Theodore Roosevelt once said, "Whenever you are asked if you can do a job, tell them, 'Certainly I can.' Then get busy and find out how to do it."